Hey there pranksters, welcome back to another Nextraker video, and right now I'm gonna share with you guys my list of top 5 gaming discs which I've unboxed in the last few months, and I will also be announcing the giveaways for this video. But first I want to give a quick shout out to Ftw, and this is for those of you who are looking to upgrade to Windows 10 Pro at an extremely reduced price. Just head over to Ftw, choose your product, Windows 10 Pro, and don't forget to include promo code NTR1 to get 38% off. Now, if you're looking to get Office 19 Pro Plus, you can save money as well. Just include promo code NTR1 to get a huge discount as well. Checkout is a piece of cake. Just choose your payment method and you'll receive your 0 keys instantly. It's just as simple as that, guys. Again, that's Ftw. Now let's get to the giveaways. If this video gets 1,000 likes, the winner will get a box of snacks. And if this video gets 7,000 likes, I will send the winner a brand new gaming desk. And to participate, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below. And that is it, guys. Well, now let's get this countdown going. At number 5, here we have the cheapest disc of the bunch, and this is the Ftw Gaming Disc. Once put together, basically this is what the disc looks like. I did not struggle with its building process as it was quite simple. Nonetheless, if you're on a budget, then this 47-inch long disc is for you, and I did purchase this from Amazon for under $100. It was last used in my PlayStation 5 gaming setup. As you can clearly see, I ran out of space, and it was too small for what I was going for. I felt really bad for laying down the PlayStation 5 like that. It did not deserve such treatment. But anyway guys, I'll have affiliate links for all the discs shown in this video. Moving on to number 4, it's a much bigger and sturdier disc. I'm talking about the 55-inch long disc from GT Racing. This was the first brand new disc that I ever unboxed, so it took me a little bit longer to get the hang of it, and at the time I didn't have all the tools needed, so of course I struggled a bit to put it together. The main feature that caught my eye the most was the giant mousepad cover that it comes with. It literally covers the whole top surface of the disc. You can get this from Amazon for about $150, and that will include the cost of shipping. And this disc was part of my PlayStation 4 gaming setup as well as my Xbox Series X gaming setup. Now at number 3, we're gonna start to get a little bit more fancy with the discs. This one is an all-black electric rising disc from Peterson. Recently, this disc was part of my Atari VCS gaming setup. It measures about 48 inches in length, but its beauty lies in its height adjustment capabilities, as you can go as low as 29 inches in height or as high as 4 feet. Putting it together wasn't too bad, but assistance is required since it is a heavy item. Besides the height controller on the left side, there is also a supply tray under the desk that rotates in and out, so you can have it out, but if you don't need it, you can make it disappear. The white line that you see on the edge of the desk, that's a strip of RGB lights which gives the desk a better overall look. For under $250, you can get one of these desks, and they're well worth it, especially if you like gaming standing up. The number 2 spot goes to the Galax Hero Gaming Desk. This desk was huge. It was 61 inches in length, the longest desk that I had ever built. With the price tag of $300, you'd expect it to do great things, and it does. For starters, it does come with a giant mousepad cover, so if you're a PC gamer, you know that this will come in handy. Other small features that this disc comes with is a cup holder as well as a hook to hold your headphones. There are also holes on the surface right on the back for better cable management, but overall the main feature that steals the show for this disc is its epic RGB lighting functions on the sides. It definitely makes the disc stand out a lot. This giant disc was specifically bought for my mini PC gaming setup. And the big winner here at number 1 is this white top 55-inch height adjustable electric rising desk from Flexi. This desk takes the cake because of its size and power. It's very easy to control, and overall I feel like the white tabletop looks more elegant and it's more fun to customize. For example, I got this desk for my Xbox Series S gaming setup, and instantly once I built the desk, which was a bit tricky but doable, I wrapped the edges with a strip of RGB lights to give the setup more color. Height wise, it can go as high as 4 feet and drop down to 29 inches. $400 might seem like a lot for a desk, but this desk is worth every cent. And those were my top 5 desks which I unboxed so far for my gaming setups. Remember that if any of these caught your attention, I do have affiliate links in the description. And 2 more reminders before I wrap up this video. First, make sure that you like and comment on this video for a chance to be a giveaway winner. And also, if you get a minute, please check out the Indiegogo campaign for Prankster, the film in which I will be starring in. All help is appreciated, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys in my next video.